Good morning from day 2 of Rocky Mountain Race Week, and today we're not actually doing any racing, but this is my favorite day because we're going from out here in the plains near Denver up into the Rocky Mountains for about 4 or 5 hours following all these race cars. We got some of my favorite racers and racers at the event here. We've got BoostedBoiz and PFI Speeds here, Cletus's crew is out back. We're gonna check in with some of these racers this morning and hopefully hop in and enjoy some of the Rocky Mountain rides with these guys as they go through. We're gonna be going way up in elevation and then back down to the plains in the Kearney, Nebraska for race day 2 tomorrow. Let's go. Ivory, come here, Ivory. Come here.
Hi, good morning. Good morning.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Someone burned a car to the ground behind our hotel.
What?
Looks like hobos have been living in it.
No. For a second I was like, oh.
We woke up right there, I was like, what the, oh. It's Leroy.
It's your boy Leroy, dude. We're cardboarded up, ready to drive 500 something, like 470.
Jesus Christ.
So, it's gonna be great. You know?
Yeah.
We're fired up. So we got our radio.
That's part of the trip.
Just gonna chat and cruise and listen to some music.
You got headsets this year.
Yeah, game changer. Wait till you ride with me later and we'll...
No more yelling.
Oh.
It's amazing.
It's life changing.
Is that or sign language?
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Avery! Look at her face. So a very important part of today is that you have to follow the route instructions, which we have right here, to a T. So the guys are literally driving back to the track to make sure that they don't miss any of the steps here, which could disqualify them from the entire week. So old Cletus messaged me right as we left McDonald's in the 20-car line to see if we were still there because the inside's closed and he didn't really feel like driving through with that thing, so we had an extra sandwich for him.
Made it checkpoint 1. Joe Tech is here, and then pretty much just the guys we were riding with. I'm sure some more will pop up here. We might stay here for a couple minutes or might just get your picture and leave. That's exactly what you have to do here. Checkpoints, you have to take a picture of you with your, or you take a picture of your car at the checkpoint to make sure that you were here. Uh-oh, GTR's not starting. Did it just start having issues? We tried to start it back up?
Yeah, like that's when we pulled up, everything was fine, and then we got back in. Something all right.
Hey guys, there's a good amount of smoke. Is there? It's still coming out.
It's gotta be that side because it's melted.
Yeah.
Is there a wire melted or something up there?
Well, it's this whole, it's all good.
It's like right on the heat shield.
Yeah. Right here.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Oh, geez. Yeah. It looked like it damaged the wires? All right, so the deal with the Joe Tech GTR is he stopped here to take his picture just like everybody else does at the checkpoint. They went to go start it again, and it's running basically on like half the cylinders. So right now, I think he called his tuner. The alarm just went off. I think he just called his tuner to see if the tuner can remote in and see like remote into the Motec on the car and see what exactly is not communicating with what to give them a better idea of what to look for. So what are you thinking? What's not communicating?
I think it's the throttle because as soon as I moved it, it died right away. I think it's not reading the wires. I think they're grounded out on each other.
Gotcha. You gotta cut up the wiring harness and try to patch it?
Yeah.
Ah, it sucks.
It's a fresh build too, so this has just been put back in the car a week ago.
Really?
Yeah, so.
All right, guys, we're gonna get back on the road.
Yeah, thanks.
Good luck to you.
Yeah.
Hopefully we see you at the next checkpoint or something.
We'll be there.
All right, so first car we've seen kind of broken down on the road. They don't know what it is. They thought it was wires, and now they think maybe a fuel pressure regulator or something. They don't know exactly, but they're gonna try to figure that out. And we're gonna get back on the road with these guys and keep going. We still got like another 400 miles to go today.
I've been hoping to ride with Tom for years, but we never run into him on the road at the right time. Now's my chance. We're gonna go through the Rocky Mountains in the Camaro. nice cruiser.
It is.
It's not loud, especially compared to some of the cars I've been in on one of these trips.
Now, we roll the windows up, turn the air conditioner on, but I've been holding off on the air conditioner,
Yeah.
trying to beat the heat here on this.
I mean, the weather's perfect right now.
Yeah.
And you've been, what's your best 7 what?
719 at 199.
Damn.
Yeah.
It's crazy to think this is a low 7-second car, and literally, I mean, other than the shifter and the gauges, and then of course the tubs. I mean, look at this. This is so nice. Stock headliner, got the suede dash, stock steering wheel.
Everything's factory.
And it rides so nice.
Oh, it does.
It's mind-blowing.
Well, a lot of guys don't, but just like coming through all that traffic. When they see me coming, they see a stock Z01, but when
Yeah.
it goes by, they look at the fat tires on the back.
Oh!
Hey, all right. You know.
The delayed reaction.
Yeah, exactly.
They hear the noise, they're like, where the hell is it coming from?
Yeah, exactly. You know.
Tomorrow's drive is not going to be anything like
brakes.
what it is.
Yep, it went all the way to the floor. Yep, brake pedal went all the way to the floor. Must be hot.
Yeah. We've been going downhill for about 5 miles, I think.
Yeah. I didn't think I was getting on them.
That was good timing for a pit stop.
Yeah, it was.
Usually when we hop in these things, it's like really refreshing for the passenger to hop in our car, but it's really not that bad. God.
Transmission temperature.
Look stock till you open the hood.
Down to 100.
Well, stockish. Holy cow. Wow. This is awesome.
Oh. Yeah, Ivory's got a stick. Good girl.
Yay, the Rowdyssey made it. Woohoo! Been wondering where he was at.
That CTS that was hauling ass earlier.
That is a race weaker. Oh! Let's see it.
Hey, what's up?
What'd you get?
Just no seatbelt ticket, even though we were wearing them. He said 83 in the 75, but I was going a buck.
Oh, I know you were doing that because you went by us. So
No.
just a seatbelt ticket.
Just a seatbelt
Not bad.
ticket.
Did you explain what you guys were doing race week and stuff?
He wanted to know what road rally it was. I said it's not a road rally. No, it was all good. He was cool, so
Cool.
no big deal.
Good.
I was hoping that we'd go before you guys saw us on the side of the road. I'm like,
Well,
everybody's gonna see
Well, it
us.
was funny you were waving and stuff.
Oh yeah, no, he was. Yeah.
I was like, well, at least they're good sports about it.
It was all good. It was all good. We expected it. Thanks, guys.
Worth the $75.
Yeah, nailed in. No biggie.
Minivan pimpin'.
We gotta pull over occasionally because it gets a little hot. But
Yeah. Is that a intercooler?
no, this is our wiper reservoir.
So where's that?
The hose is
Oh, it's a sprayer for the radiator?
still cold.
Genius.
Yeah, and this is fresh mountain water.
Fresh mountain. Is it up a stream?
Yeah.
All right, next up, swapping seats with Emilio. He's gonna hop in with Matt in the Yukon. I'm gonna hop in Kyle with the Rowdyssey. See what this thing's all about. I've been waiting for years to ride in this thing. Gotta be careful not to step on the computer now.
Yeah. We got a lot of stuff laying around in here.
Boosted Boy style.
Well, you finally get to ride in it.
I know. Been waiting forever.
You don't get to have too much fun right now, though.
Yeah, it's all good. No one overheated. Got the exhaust right here.
Well loud.
Alright, so we had to pull over here for a second. Get the car cooled down. She was at 223. He doesn't even want to roll out on the window. Don't let the air conditioner. Oh my god.
Damn, you want your seat back?
No, you're good. You're good. Radiator air conditioning.
Little irrigation ditch.
This farmer's gonna charge you for his water.
At least it's cold.
Is it? Perfect. Alright, I'm going back to the air conditioning.
Yeah, I'm ready. That was good enough for me.
Thanks for the ride, man. Yeah. That was awesome. Front row. That's not good. Eddie, we know you know how to work on cars. You don't have to show it off every year.
No, I have no idea. We're just driving, give it gas, poof, the seal blows out.
Lost pressure.
It's been working, yeah, it's been working perfect, and then all of a sudden just smoke everywhere.
You got the new part?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Was that a 30-minute drive?
Yeah, 100 makes it fast.
Kilometers an hour, right?
That's right.
Yep.
Kilos.
So over the years, the safety of these trips has changed and progressed. So as cars are going by, you'll see a thumbs up from both sides to let people know to keep driving, because when we first started doing this, it would happen that everybody would pull over and see what people needed for help or parts. And so now we've got a system down. You see a thumbs up, just keep driving. If you see a thumbs down, you pull over, see if someone's got parts for you, or they can figure out how to fix what you got broken. But we got some parts here, looking hopeful to get it fixed here shortly. New one going in.
It's either gonna work or it's not.
Yeah.
The torque converter.
Okay.
Man, this thing is heavy. And I just can't quite get it on its spot. Oh, no, we're not even close. Starting to support it. Yeah, there you go.
It's in. We're gonna hit the road. Looks like you're in good shape.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Lucked out with parts in Sterling, huh?
Yeah, piece of cake. None but thing.
Yeah.
You guys had that jack and stuff.
Definitely. You're no stranger to fixes. We're at the second checkpoint today here in Sterling, Nebraska, the Overland Trail Museum. And we've got about a dozen racers here and more pulling in as we speak to take their photo here. I think this is the last checkpoint for the day, and then we still have another 200 miles to get to Kearney, Nebraska. I think a lot of racers are going to be getting there in the dark, but we're going to check in with a few of the racers here and see what their drive's been like and then hit the road.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
What'd you find? Anything?
Keep tearing pumps up. That's about it.
No, we can't tell. The pumps run, but they're not pumping evidently.
You know who that
so
is?
Somebody had a bigger pump, so we're putting that in to get her
Okay.
going.
It's just like fuses, just keep it, putting bigger ones
Yeah,
in.
put bigger.
Yeah, until we just get there.
It doesn't really go anywhere, but it sounds cool to see.
I love it though.
Alright, we got our dinner at Village Inn. It's time for Matt to ride with the president.
That's right. All right, they cleared a spot for me. I get to try out these. Oh man, this is comfy.
Have fun.
I like this limo. I'm a huge 80s car guy. So seeing you pull up in this thing just like brought me instant happiness. I like it though. Thanks for letting me ride along. This is making a little noise. And it's actually pretty dang quiet back here. It's pretty quiet. This is so cool. I don't usually get in a car where I can look back and see another scene.
I thought I could take him.
You don't want it. You don't want it. Hog it up. Oh no! No! I got lit to a golf cart.
Need an Instagram opportunity here, buddy.
Yep.
What do you drive?
I'm scared.
Nothing.
What's the setup on the pup? Yeah! I got a nose boop.
So we just pulled into the hotel here, 2 o'clock in the morning. Parking lot's full of race cars. We see Dennis Taylor here, #1 overall for the event right now. But we've got racing in the afternoon tomorrow, which is awesome because we can sleep in a little bit. But we'll be bringing you all of that action in our next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We've got 5 more Rocky Mountain Race Week live videos coming at you. So make sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.